Good morning, children of class 3. In the previous video, we have discussed about our houses, rooms, decorations, like we did coloring, painting, and our house will decorate with tiles, different designs of tiles, furnishings of our homes, and some greeneries or a front or a backyard can make our houses in interior house will be keeps decorated. So okay, and children's safety also we have to be look very. This is all the important things of our house. We should keep our houses safe from the heat of sun, cold wind, rain, and many other dangers like wild animals, thieves, and dacoits. That is why children's we make our houses walls should be strong and with having a window with metals grills. Okay, and staircases should have railing for supports, and the roof and the verandas should have a strong railing as security against falls. Means children's yeah, in the staircases or stairs, and we should have keep make strong railings, and in the verandas or in the roof also we should have to make an strong railings or bricks and a cement railing that will safety against we if we will fall down. Okay, that is why we should keep this type of places with an security to make us safety from the falls. Okay, and children's windows should have always allowed to enter the sunshines and fresh air, but not the unwanted paste. Okay, and fly proofing the windows with we sometimes we keep fly proofing windows, like we keep a net in every corner of the windows, or from the one corner to another corner of with a net that will not allow any flies or mosquitoes that will enter inside our houses. Okay, and children's we also use pest controls measures. Sometimes we will have to be spray inside the houses and injecting the floors with insecticides which will keeps away cockroaches, lizards, and termites. Okay, means children's once in a month we have to be use pest controls that will or a pest controls we should have to be spray inside our house that will keep away to comes like cockroaches, lizards, and termites, and it will keeps our house dirtiness. Okay, and children's not only the decorations of our house are shiftiness is important, but cleanliness is the most important thing. A clean house is a clean surrounding is necessary for good health, and hygienic means children's we not have to be look after the clean house, but we have to be look out of our cleanliness in not only the house but in the surroundings also. It is necessary because it is, if we are staying in a clean house and clean surrounding, it is very good for our health and hygiene. Okay, and children's house should have enough doors and windows to allow sunlight and ventilation, or the always gives us the free flow of fresh air. And children's in our homes we should have to be make a good drainage that will plant and maintain to allow sewage from the toilets and wastewater from the kitchen to drain out properly. Okay, and children's whenever we will construct our house, at that time we have to be make a proper arrangement of drainage, means uh, the flowing of kitchens and bathrooms water in a proper drain, and sewage waters of the from the toilets that will have to be put in the safety tanks. Okay. And children's stagnant water should not be allowed to accumulate anywhere inside or near the house. Stagnant water means unpleasant with a smelly water that will come, so they don't have any activities like a dull or a smelling water which will comes out. That type of waters will not be allowed to accumulate anywhere inside or in near the houses. Okay. Stagnant water is a small, if this type of stagnant waters will comes out in a small quantities from the flowers pot, we should keep in the verandas or in front of our houses. That will also that will also breeding the grounds for pests like mosquitoes. Okay. And other flies. So some people's we should spray the bleaching powders in our surroundings, which will always helps to kill germs and keeps away germs. Okay. And inside our houses we should always do a dusting means and removals of cobweb means the web of spiders, and sweeping and swabbing of floors with an using of infected means like a Lysol or a phenyl that will always keep us free from the infections. Okay. And it will clean our house, and it will gives a germ free house. Okay. And children's always we should have to keep on doormats at a proper place at each and every doorstep, such that each and every guest will comes, or either we should go out and if we should get inside that time, it will helps to wipe the dust of the shoes, and even even or if we entered inside house with our shoes. Okay. And kitchens generates a lot of garbage. Children's mostly in our house, garbages will comes out from the kitchens. Okay. And kitchens, and there are two types of garbages. Okay children, that is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Means biodegradable wastage means the vegetables peels or fruits peels, or unwanted like uh, wastage of food. These are the biodegradable wastage. Okay. And non-biodegradable wastage like plastic bag, plastics, these are the non-degradable garbages. Okay. And children, we should have to be keep in our minds and always use two types of dustbin. That one dustbin should collect biodegradable wastes, and one dustbin should will always keep to collect non-biodegradable wastes. And children's we whenever the municipalities organ collectors of domestic wastes will come, that time we should have to we be put in a proper places like a non-biodegradable degradable box, and in a biodegradable box. Okay. Biodegradable wastage will biodegradable wastage will use to make an compost manures to use afterwards, that will use in a flowering or pots or in an agriculture fields as like as a manures. Okay. And children's we should not throw any things in here and there, and we should always keep our domestic wastage to the nearest garbage dumps. If the municipalities collectors will not come in any days, that time we should not throw this garbage in roadside or in front of any nearest any houses, in front of any others houses. Okay, children, and we should always we should not throw garbages in any other places or in a public places. Okay.